Good day everyone. Welcome to grade 7 mathematics class quarter 1 week 1. This is Ma'am Irma, your teacher for today. And for this week, our topic is all about introduction to sets. Before we proceed with our discussion, let's have first the learning objectives.
And now let's move on to the definition of terms. A set is a well-defined collection of different objects. Any object such as numbers, people, letters of the alphabet, and symbol can make up a set. An example of this are the following. Number 1, we have the primary colors. We have the set of primary colors, we have red, yellow, and blue. And the set of even numbers from 2 to 10. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. And now let's move on with the first example. So you have to describe the elements of each set. So first set, we have set A. The set A is the set of even numbers from 4 to 12. The second set is set B. Set B is the set of counting numbers from 1 to 6. For set C, we have an empty set or a null set. And set D are the set of factors of 18. Let's move on with the subset. A subset is a set whose elements are members of another set. Example, you are given set A wherein the elements are A, B, and C. The subsets are the null set. We have A, B, C, AB, BC, AC, and ABC. So those are the subsets of set A. Next example, we have set B. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8. And these are the different subsets. Next, we have a universal set. A universal set contains all the elements being considered in a given situation. And this is an example of a universal set. This one is set U, wherein the universal set, the elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And let's have the difference between subsets and universal set. So let's have this figure. So set U is said to be the universal set, and this one is set U. And the elements of set U are a set of numbers from 1 to 10. And next we have set Q, wherein this is a subset of the universal set. So this one is the subset of U, or the set Q. The elements of set Q are the set of even numbers from 1 to 10. So wherein the elements are, we have the 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So that's why we have this, the subset of the universal set. Next, we have a null set. A null set is also called an empty set. It has no element. Null set is a subset of any set. It can be represented by a Greek letter phi or an empty braces. So that is how we represent the empty set. And let's have union of sets. So union of sets is the set of all elements found in both sets. This one is denoted by A union B. So let's have the example. So we have here set A, set B, wherein the elements of set A are 2, 5, and 7. The elements of set B, 1, 2, 5, 8. And if you have to get A union B, all you have to do is to combine all the elements of sets A and B. So therefore, if you have to get A union B, the elements are 1, 2, 5, 7, and 8. And next, we have the intersection of sets. The intersection of sets A and B, denoted by this symbol, is the set of all elements common to both sets A and B. If the sets have no common elements, those sets are called to be disjoint sets. So let's have this example. So we have set A and set B. The elements of set A, we have 2, 5, 7. The elements of set B, we have 1, 2, 5, 8. If we have to get the intersection of set A and B, all you have to do is to get the common elements of the two sets. So the common elements of the two sets, we have 2 and 5. So therefore, the intersection of A and B has an element of 2 and 5. And next, we have complement of a set. So the complement of set A, denoted by A prime, is the set of all elements that are not in set A but found in universal set. So let's have this example. So set A, the elements are, we have 2, 5, and 7. Set B, the elements are 1, 2, 5, and 8. To find the complement of A or the A prime, all you have to do is to look for the element or elements that are not found in letter A but found in the universal set. So therefore, the complement of A or the A prime has an element of 8 and 1. So this one is the A complement. And B complement, we have looked for an element or elements that found in the universal set but not found in set B. So therefore, the B complement has an element of 7. So this is the complement of B. Next, we have cardinality of set. Cardinality of set is the number of elements contained in a set. So say for example, we have this one. So we have elements of A, we have 2, 5, 7. Elements of B, 1, 2, 5, 8. If we have to get the cardinality of set A, all you have to do is to count the number of elements. So we have 1, 2, and 3. So therefore, the cardinality of set A is equal to 3. And cardinality of set B, so we have count the number of elements 1, 2, 3, and 4. So therefore, the cardinality of set B is equal to 4. And if you have to get the cardinality of the universal set, all you have to do is to count all the elements of the given set. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So therefore, the cardinality of the universal set is equal to 5. Let's have the difference of two sets. So the difference of two sets, written as A minus B, is the set of all elements that are not elements of B. So let's have an example. So let's have the A minus B. So to find the elements of A minus B, all you have to do is to look for the elements of A that are not elements of B. So therefore, A minus B, the element is 7. Next, we have the B minus A. So look for the elements of B such that it is not an element of A. So B minus A, the elements are 1 and 8. So that is the difference of two sets.
That ends our lesson for today. What have you learned about sets? You can comment your answer in the comment section. That's all, and happy learning, everyone!